Hello boys and girls, my name is Beck in Black, part of the Hiccup Circus. Now, I'll be showing you something very helpful with juggling today. It is called the shuffle. It's just where you take a ball and pass it to the other hand. Now, this can be turned into a more advanced version, just tossing it back and forth between your hands. Now, with this, you don't want to drop ever. So keep it slow and keep it together. You can kind of make it go a little higher, but it's a straight across pass, and that turns into many different tricks after you learn 1, 2, or 3 balls. Now, that is called the shuffle. I'm Beck in Black.